In this video, we will discuss Ruth Hurwitz's criterion, difficulty 2. So, in the previous videos, we discussed Ruth Hurwitz's criterion and difficulty 1. In the difficulty 1, if we get in any of the row of first column, if we get first value as a 0, then we can continue the problem. So, there we have to substitute S is equal in the characteristic equation, S is equal to 1 divided by Z, or we have to multiply characteristic equation with S plus 1. So if we get, for example, whole row is equal to 0 in the root array, then we cannot continue the problem by using difficulty 1. So this type of problems are called as difficulty 2. So we'll see one problem based on that. Consider the characteristic equation s to the power 6 plus 2s to the power 5 plus 8s to the power 4 plus 12s cubed plus 20s square plus 16s plus 16 is equal to 0. Using Ruth's criterion, investigate the stability of the closed loop system. See, now by using Ruth characteristic equation, we can write Ruth array. See, if we s to the power 6th row, we can write like coefficient of s to the power 6 is 1, s to the power 4 is 8, s to the power 2 is 20, s to the power 0 is 16. So we have written all those coefficients. Then s to the power 4, it is odd number. N is 5, so odd number. So we have to consider s to the power 5 coefficient 2. We have to write in the second row first column, and s cube coefficient is 12, s to the power 1 coefficient is 16. And so now by using characteristic equation, we got to do rows. So now to find out s to the power 4, we have to do some calculations part. So it is, we have to find out first column of third row, we have to take previous two rows and 2 cross 2 matrix we have to consider, and we have to multiply. So it is 1 to 8 12 we have to consider divided by 2. So determinant 1 to 8 12 divided by 2. If we cross multiply, it is 2 into 8 minus 1 into 12 divided by 2 you will get. So if you simplify, you will get 2. And to find out next value in the same row, we have to consider second, we have to leave second column, and the matrix is 1 to 20 and 16 divided by 2. If we multiply, you will get 12. To find out third value, so we have to leave third column, even second column, and the matrix is 1 to 16 and 0. Fourth column we have to consider divided by 2. So if we cross multiply, we will get 16. So to find out next row values, that is S cube row, we have to consider previous two rows, and to close to matrix we have to consider it is 2 to 12 2 divided by 2. So if we cross multiply, we will get 0. And to find out next row, we have to leave second column, it is 2 to 16 16 divided by 2. So we will get 0. So in the same row, all the values will get 0. So this is difficulty 2 in Ruth's service criterion. So whole row value will be 0. Then how to simplify this type of problem? See, here we have to write a equation by using previous rows. So here we got the value zeros for s cube row. We have to consider s to the power 4 row, and we have to write the equation, that is polynomial equation we have to write. So that is so that polynomial equation we can write a of s is equal to 2 into s to the power 4 plus 12 into s square plus 16. We can write, see, it is previous row, the coefficient or the row is s to the power 4. The first column value will be 2 into s to the power 4. So it is an even number. So in the same way we have to write the equation. So next column value is s square coefficient, next column value is s to the power 0 coefficient. We'll get a of s is equal to s to the power 4 plus 12 s square plus 16. So now we have to differentiate this equation polynomial with respect to s. So it is a of d into a of s divided by ds is equal to 8s cube plus 24s plus 0 is it. So 8s cube plus 24s. Now we got the coefficient of s cube is 8, coefficient of s to the power 1 is 24. So we have to write by using this equation, we have to write we have to fill S cube row. So again we have to write root array, same root array we have to write, same root array we have to write, and S to the power 4 row is same, and S cube row is a coefficient of this polynomial we have to write. So S cube is coefficient is 8, S to the power 1 coefficient is 24. And now we have to consider, we have to fill remaining values. So for S square row we have to consider previous two rows, 2, 8, 12, 24 divided by 8. So we'll get 16. To find out other column value in the same row, so it is 2, 8 and 16, 0 divided by 8. We have to leave second column. So we'll get 16 and remaining values will be 0. We know. And to find out s to the power 1 row, we have to consider previous two rows. It is 8, 6, 24, 16 divided by 6. We'll get and remaining values will be 0. To find out s to the power 0th row, and first column it is previous two rows we have to consider, it is 6, 8 by 3 and 16, 0 divided by 8 by 3. So if we simplify we'll get 16. So now in this problem we can see the first column value we have to consider. So all the values are positive or same sign, so positive sign, there is no sign changes, so the system is stable. So we can say that the system is stable. So this is difficulty 2 we will face in the rules Harvest criterion and how to simplify those type of problems. So finally, if we get all the row values, any of the row, all the row values to zeros, then by using previous row we have to write polynomial equation, we have to differentiate, then we have to continue the problem. Thank you.